be doing problems 2 and 3. Oops, sorry. 2 and 3 from the 2025 AMC8. And the AMC8 is American mathematics competition, and it consists of hard logic problems, and the problems get harder as the test goes on. It's a 25 question test, and you get 40 minutes to do the entire test, and it's very hard. Alright, let's go through these problems. Let's start with problem 2. And let me just make this a little bit smaller. There we go. The table below shows the ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs that were used to represent different numbers. And it's shown right here. For example, the number 32 was represented by these hieroglyphics. What number is represented by the following combination of hieroglyphs? Sorry, I keep saying hieroglyphics. Okay. So this is a pretty simple problem. We just have to decipher the hieroglyphs. So let's get started. The first one is this penguin-like looking thing. And that is this one, which is 10,000. So 10,000. And then we have these 4 peculiar spiral almost thingies. And that is represented by this right here. Plus 100. Plus 100. Plus 100. Plus 100. Alright, the next thing is these N-like shapes, and that's represented right here. Plus 10, plus 10, and the last one are these 3 lines, which represents 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. And if we simplify this, we get 10,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 3. Oops, sorry. Okay, let me just undo that. Yeah, there we go. Oops. Then we can just add these up and we'll get 10,400 and 423, which is this. Let me erase that, which is represented by this right here. Okay, now let's do problem number 3. Okay. Buffalo Shuffle is a card game in which all the cards are distributed evenly among players at the start of the game. When Anika and 3 of her friends play Buffalo Shuffle, each player is dealt 15 cards. Suppose 2 more friends join the next game. How many cards will be dealt to each player? So, let's begin by understanding what the problem is asking us. So, for starters, it's obviously asking us how many cards will be dealt to each player when there will be 6 people. Because if there's Anika, that's 1, plus 3 of her friends, that's 4, plus 2 more friends, that is 6 in total. So we have 6 friends. And it also mentions that all of the cards are distributed evenly among all the players. So that means that if we can figure out how many cards there are in the whole game, we can do the division needed to figure out how many cards per person. So we can see that when 4 people are playing, 4 people, we can see that there are 15 cards per person. Cards PP per person. So we do 15 times 4, and we get 60 cards in total. Alright. So there's 60 cards in total, And in the new game, there are 6 people. Then all we have to do is do 60 divided by 6 to see how many cards each person will be dealt. And that equals 10. The answer is right here. Okay, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.